Hi everyone, I'm Pascal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I received a surprise box. So I was not expecting to get this today, but here it is. I received my 16-inch MacBook Pro with the new M3 Max chips. So today we'll just do an unboxing and there you go. Let's get started. So exciting. Here is the MacBook Pro box. Very nice packaging. Alright. So, first of all, we got those two little tabs. And then, time to open. Go. So here's the laptop. Inside the box you get the nice braided cable. Got the black version. Of course, little pamphlets with nice Apple stickers. You also get the power brick. Here we have the 140 watts USB-C power adapter. It's really great. Braided cable here with the magnet. Quite long. Feels very great. Feels solid. And now to the main piece here. Let's put it on. Let's peel this off. Woo! That is so amazing. It feels so soft. Love the color. The black is just amazing. Oh, so excited. This is just amazing. The liquid retina display is just amazing. Going from the M1 iMac to the MacBook Pro is for me an incredible improvement. So this computer is just very amazing. It's well, for me, for a laptop, I think it's quite light. It's the first laptop I've owned in I don't know, decades. So it is quite light for the size of the laptop. The MacBook Pro comes with a MagSafe 3 connector, a headphone jack, an SD card slot, an HDMI port, and 3 Thunderbolt 4 port. So right now, just waiting to do the computer setup. So I am super excited. This is a quite an update from used to have. So we'll see how this perform, and super excited. So got a little visitor here, right?
Wow.
Wow. So here you go, guys. This was the unboxing of the MacBook Pro M3 Max chips. I hope you enjoy. There will be a first impression and a review coming up, so follow me, subscribe, and put any comment down in the comment section. See you on the next one.